I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on Saxo Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Saxo Bank account. Start by visiting the Saxo Bank website or opening the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu. From there, find and select Security Settings to manage your authentication options. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, look for the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. This is where you can manage your current authentication methods. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the S or COM link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generated and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling, make sure to save your changes. You might see a confirmation message indicating that 2FA has been successfully turned off. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so consider the risks before proceeding. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for help. Happy banking!